ما بيك خير وعشق انسان يخلف ترك حبك بقلبي جرح ما يعوفني
Where's the catnip?
Give me a kiss, girl. What the fuck? I'm a boy, you stupid motherfucker. You gay-ass bitch.
Whisper, whisper, Mr. Pussycat.
I stole your bitch cause I'm a black cat. You just a stupid fat cat. Bitch!
I came in like a rainbow. Holy shit! Help! Help!
Yeah, go ahead, pull it through. Thanks, bud.
Meow. 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 No.
Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size.
Gotta get a bitch and get my dicks up. I gotta get a bitch and get my dicks up. From the weed house straight to the strip club.
Spike loves his new hat.
Everybody, please get on the ground!
Oh my god.
That specialize in rescuing young girls from pimps and prostitution. Many of them are looking for
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Slow down. Grab the wall. Wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Oh. What are you doing there? Okay, alright. Okay.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Turtle cat.
Can you imagine if your arm was to fall out of there? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I got it.
You better back away from mommy, bitch. Back the fuck up. Back. Bitch, what the fuck did I just say? I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a little cat nap. Let's get that out of here. Take a little cat nap and I say get that shit out of here!
Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Choco de 5.
Cat scared of hacky sack? Let's find out.
God, I'm fat!
Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter.
You can't get out.
Oh! My fellow Americans, there is Ebola in America, which means we are screwed.
And you be on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga.
That moment when you realize that you're a cat?